It's Sunday morning in Pattaya, Thailand. Only means one thing. Som Tam Nachos. Nachos or Doritos, whatever you want to say. Couldn't get Thai ones? Okay, whatever. Som Tam Thai, fried chicken, Thai yogurt, Nam Prik, fried shrimp, peanuts, and fried, possibly garlic, possibly onion. I won't know till I open it. Let's have a go. So this is Som Tam Nachos, but first, this is some fried chicken. It's a messy Sunday afternoon. So good. I haven't got much to say because this is actually really, really good with the yogurt, the Nam Prik, the Som Tam, the nachos, and I haven't eaten crisps in a long time. Really, my lighting doesn't do this justice, and I don't want to eat too much because we're having Isan hot dogs for dinner. Yeah, oh, look at this. Not much nachos, but lots of Som Tam. Look at that. My fingers are horrible, but oh. So many different flavours, although the Som Tam is like the salsa, so it just kind of goes, you know, magic. Yeah, yes. Oh, look at this. Honestly, I'm going to say it every time. This one is really, really good. It's fresh, it's spicy, it's a big fucking mess. I don't know, throw some cow in there, it might be good. Layer your cow, put the yogurt, it's brilliant. Som Tam and yogurt is a big win for me. Huge. Lays. Do what you want, but put the yogurt.